Apparently the Kobe 6 reverse Grinch is supposed to shock drop in the next couple days, and in this video I'm gonna cover all the little details from the rumors of specific timing to how much stock there's gonna be. Make sure you watch to the end of this video, and if you do get any type of solid information out of it, leave a like down below. Let's see if we could get this to 100+ likes. Also, while you're down there, subscribe to the channel because we're on road to 23,000. Thank y'all for all the support you've been showing me lately, but all that being said, let's get straight to it. First things first, about a week ago we saw the little poll that we typically get on the sneakers app asking people if you want the shock drop or you want exclusive access. I don't know who in their right mind chose exclusive access, because nobody gets exclusive access, bro. Let's be realistic. Throughout all my years of buying sneakers, I got exclusive access one time on the sneakers app, and it was for the off-white lot dunks. Y'all know there was hella stock of these. I'm still grateful I got exclusive access, I'm not gonna lie, but this was the one time. I've hit on shock drops way more than I've hit on exclusive access, so I definitely hit the shock drop button. At the end of the day, sneakers app was letting us know, listen, in the next week or two we're gonna shock drop the Kobe 6 Grinch. I honestly think this is gonna be the last shock drop we see on the sneakers app, at least this year. It all kind of makes sense, because think about it, we're gonna see the DMP 11s on December 9th, and we got a shock drop a couple weeks back. Reverse Grinch Kobe's drop on December 16th, so it only makes sense that we see this shock drop in these next few days. From what I'm hearing, it's gonna be tomorrow at around 11 to 12 a.m. Eastern. This is subject to change. I'm hearing between tomorrow and the day after tomorrow is gonna be the shock drop for the Grinches. Retail is gonna be $190 on these. That's honestly a bargain considering what the resale prices are going for currently. I personally don't own any Kobe, so if you guys have any recommendation for sizing, let me know in the comments. I'm hearing true to size or half size up. I honestly don't want these to be too loose on me if I get them, but it is one of those pairs that I do want to add to my collection just because of everything that happened with Kobe. I honestly want to have at least one Kobe in my collection. I'm not out here balling, you feel me? Ball isn't life, pause, in my life. It's just not the reality, but at the end of the day, I feel like this is a piece of history and I do want to at least have one pair. Being that the Grinch Kobe 6 is probably one of the most iconic Kobe's, I wouldn't mind having the reverse version. I could see resale for these settling at around $300 to $400, probably high threes, low fours, depending on what size. Low key, this is one of those sneakers that we thought was never gonna make it. It was worn by PJ Tucker years ago at this point, and finally we're gonna see the official release for them. If you guys are excited for this pair, let me know in the comments if it's one that you're actually gonna be balling up with, or it's just a piece that you want to have in your collection, or even wear casually. I feel like I would wear these shits casually. Fuck it, bro. You could wear whatever you want. We wear SBs to walk around. We could do the same shit with Kobe's. It is what it is. Low-key Jordans are for balling, and nobody balling Jordans no more. But yeah, Kobe 6 Reverse Grinch is dropping ASAP. Make sure you get some money on your card if you need to get some money on your card. Get everything situated because these are going to be dropping this week at the latest. If it's not tomorrow or after tomorrow, it's definitely going to be this week. It low-key has to be. In my opinion, they're going to do the shock drop first. There might be an exclusive access. Then obviously the official release on December 16th. Definitely feel like there's going to be a shock drop. Obviously the official release. I don't know about the exclusive access. At this point, it would be all crammed in. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. There is rumored to be 300,000 pairs in production, so they are going to be readily available. It all depends on how much people are actually going to be going for these. I know the hype is going to be there because resellers are going to try to grab pairs for resale, but aside of that, there is actually a lot of people that want these just simply because of what they stand for and the colorway plus silhouette. I just think Nike hasn't fulfilled the need for Kobe's just yet. Maybe next year when they actually start producing different colorways, different models, the hype will die down a little bit. Y'all know how Nike does. They see some shit is working, they're gonna flood the market till people stop caring type shit. I wonder if that's what's gonna happen with Kobe's, but at the end of the day, I just wanted to bring y'all the information that I do have. That way, hopefully you guys can catch that dub. If you do cop based off this video, come back here and put a W in the comments. That pretty much does it for the shock drop news. Today we saw the Ma Maniére Jordan 5 Dawn release on the sneakers app. It actually took 8 to 10 minutes to sell out, which is not horrible in my opinion. I was honestly concerned, bro. I feel like the black pair would have flew. This one, people were kind of debating it. They were looking at resale. It's nothing too crazy. Ma Maniere's site had sizes for a little while, and I think the reason for that was sneakers app has free shipping. That $20 shipping becoming crazy on the Ma Maniére site. But at the end of the day, let me know in the comments if you guys picked this pair up. I do have the review for this colorway as well as the dusk on the channel. This was just a quick little filler video. Let me know what else y'all would like to see on the channel. I actually have a new series coming soon, and I want to start doing sneaker news every week where I compile all the news that dropped for the week, put it in a video for y'all. If that's something y'all would like to see, comment hype weekly down below. I'm actually interested to see if that's something y'all are interested in. But with all that being said, make sure y'all leave a like on this video. If y'all could get this to 100 likes, I would definitely appreciate it. Also subscribe to the channel for more content. There's a bunch of heat on the way. Low-key, we got a crazy streak going on. I'm trying to make sure I'll pump out as much content as possible. So keep showing love and I'll keep bringing content to y'all. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. Spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next. Matter of fact, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these two videos, bro. Y'all not gonna disappoint. Check one of these two videos out and I'm gonna catch you there. Peace.